Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, we're going to walk through the steps on how to delete a document in Microsoft Word, step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. First, start by opening Microsoft Word on your device. Once Word is open, click on the File tab located at the top of the toolbar. Next, click on Open to access your documents. Locate the file you want to delete. You can also scroll through your files to find it. Right-click on the file you wish to delete and select Delete File. You will be asked to confirm your decision. Click Delete again to proceed. The document will now be sent to the recycle bin. If you want to permanently delete the document, go back to the desktop, then right-click on the recycle bin icon on your desktop and select Empty Recycle Bin. A confirmation message will appear. Click Yes to finalize the deletion. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.